In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT conversation not found error. To fix this, first click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen to open the user menu. From the options presented, click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, navigate to the sidebar on the left and select Data Controls. Under Data Controls, look for the Archived Chats option and click the Manage button next to it. A pop-up will display your archived conversations. If you see that you have no archived conversations, you can simply close this window by clicking the X icon in the top right corner. Then, click the X icon to close the main settings modal as well. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to check your browser extensions. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser to open the main menu. Hover down or navigate to Extensions, and click on Manage Extensions. This opens your extensions page. Review your installed extensions. Sometimes third-party tools like VPNs, ad blockers, or security software can disrupt ChatGPT's connection. If you have any active extensions that might conflict with the page, you can temporarily toggle them off or remove them. Once you're done inspecting your extensions, click the X icon to close the Extensions tab and return to ChatGPT. Now, let's clear the site-specific cookies and data. Click on the Site Settings padlock or Options icon located directly to the left of the URL address bar. From the drop-down menu, click on Site Settings. This will bring you to Chrome's privacy settings for the specific site. Look for the Usage section, where you will see the storage and cookies used, and click the Delete Data button. A confirmation pop-up will appear warning you that you'll be signed out. Go ahead and click the Delete button. This will completely reset the temporary site data. After deleting the data, close the Settings tab. To verify your cookies are fully cleared, click the padlock or settings icon next to the URL once more, select Cookies and Site Data, and click on Manage on Device Site Data. Review the listed entries, click Done. If the sidebar is still failing to load your conversations, a great workaround is to use an incognito window. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser and select New Incognito Window. In the address bar of the private window, type in chatgpt.com and press Enter. Once the clean, logged-out version of ChatGPT loads, you will need to sign back into your account. Click the Login button, and on the next screen, choose your preferred login method, such as Continue with Google. Select or type in your email address, click Next, and then enter your password securely into the field. Click the Next or Continue button to proceed. The browser will securely redirect you back to the main interface. Once logged back in, the site should successfully reconnect to the servers, resolving the connection issues and fully restoring your conversation history in the sidebar. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.